Trees need decades to grow, some even 100 years, but bamboo? This plant can be ready in just 3 to 5 years. As one of the fastest growing plants on Earth, bamboo grows back after cutting, without the need for replanting. Every year, millions of tons of bamboo are harvested and used in everything from homes and paper to food and furniture. Today, we'll take you inside a real bamboo farm. You'll see how it's planted, harvested, and turned into eco-friendly products used worldwide. Why bamboo grows faster than trees? Bamboo doesn't follow the rules of traditional forestry. Where trees may take 30 to 100 years to mature, bamboo can reach full size in only 5 to 7 years. This makes it a smart choice for both environmental and commercial reasons. 1 acre of bamboo can build a 1,000 square foot home. But to do the same with regular trees, you'd need 12 acres of forest. That's how efficient and powerful this plant is, giving more while using less land. Farming bamboo in tough terrain. Most bamboo farms are located in hilly or mountainous regions. These areas are often too rough for large machines, so farmers rely on simple tools and physical labor. Bamboo is harvested by hand, bundled, and carefully moved down the slopes to the base of the mountain. This process isn't easy. It takes strength, teamwork, and skill, especially when moving heavy stalks through narrow paths and uneven ground. Despite the effort, this method keeps the environment intact and avoids large-scale damage caused by machinery. How bamboo chopsticks are made. Once bamboo stalks are shaped into chopsticks, they're soaked in an anti-mold solution. This step keeps bacteria and mold from growing on them. After that, they go into a drying kiln, a heat-based chamber that sterilizes the sticks and ensures they're safe and long-lasting. Clean, strong, and natural. These chopsticks are ready for packaging and delivery across the globe, turning bamboo into utensils. Bamboo isn't just for chopsticks. With the help of machines and heat, farmers also turn it into beautiful spoons and forks. Using molds, bamboo is pressed into shape under high pressure and temperature. This keeps the design consistent and the structure solid. The final product, durable, reusable utensils that look great on any table and help reduce plastic waste. It's a small change with a big impact on our environment. straws versus plastic straws. Each year, the world throws away billions of plastic straws, which often end up in oceans and landfills. Bamboo straws provide a simple and smart solution. They are reusable, biodegradable, and made entirely from nature. After use, they won't pollute the earth like plastic. They'll return to the soil without harming it. It's these small switches, like using a bamboo straw, that push us closer to a cleaner future. Bamboo helps fight climate change. Bamboo does more than replace plastic. It also cleans the air. This plant absorbs large amounts of carbon dioxide, one of the main gases causing the greenhouse effect. When used in construction or product manufacturing, bamboo helps reduce our reliance on polluting materials like concrete or plastic. Its growth is fast, its impact is strong, and its benefits are long-lasting for the planet and for people. What if I told you that the way chickens are raised could change everything about the food we eat? From cramped factory farms to free-range, open spaces, there's a secret story of how chickens live and grow in China and Europe. Free-range chickens aren't just healthier, but their lives are much better compared to their factory-raised cousins. But there's a twist. Some farmers are finding ways to make it even better, ensuring not just a healthy bird, but a sustainable future. Let's dive into how these chickens live, how they roam the hills, and what makes their meat some of the healthiest you can find. Stay tuned to find out why free range is the way forward. Welcome, friends. Imagine chickens living in the open air, strolling freely across lush green fields. This peaceful image isn't a dream. It's the reality at free-range farms, especially in countries like China and across Europe. In today's video, we'll explore how millions of chickens are raised in natural environments, far from the crowded, stressful factory farms that many people associate with chicken production. Free-range chickens, the better option. The free-range system allows chickens to live more naturally. They get a few hours each day to roam the fields, scratch the soil, and bask in the sunlight. For farmers, this system is more than just ethical, it's practical. Chickens raised this way are healthier, more active, and provide better quality meat. Let's take a look at how this is done. Raising free-range chickens in Spain. In Spain, farmers are embracing free-range farming in a big way. These chickens aren't just cooped up in barns. They roam freely in large grassy areas, protected by fences. Farmers keep an eye on them, ensuring they are safe from predators like coyotes or feral cats. When the farmers are busy, the dogs take over the responsibility of guarding the chickens. Health monitoring and protection. At farms like the ones in the UK, free-range chickens are kept in barns during bad weather. But for the most part, they spend about a third of their day grazing on the grasslands. Farmers ensure that the chickens have access to clean water and a balanced diet, and they closely monitor the health of each bird. In some cases, farmers install cameras to keep an eye on the conditions inside the barns, making sure that everything is running smoothly. Innovation in feed and waste management. In addition to feeding the chickens natural foods, some farmers are getting creative by using leftover agricultural products like plant scraps. This helps reduce waste and gives the chickens more variety in their diet. Additionally, farmers are using chicken manure to help fertilize the land, although they make sure to move the chickens to fresh areas so the soil doesn't become overloaded with waste. Free-range chicken market and food safety. The market for free-range chicken is becoming increasingly competitive, with consumers demanding higher food safety standards. Farmers have to work hard to keep their farms running efficiently while maintaining high-quality standards. This involves constant monitoring of the bird's health, the feed they consume, and the quality of the meat produced. Free-range chickens in the US. Though free-range farming is primarily associated with Europe, there are growing efforts to adopt similar practices in the United States. In the US, where factory farms still dominate the poultry industry, free-range farming is gaining popularity among consumers looking for more humane and environmentally friendly options. Farmers are beginning to experiment with different methods to allow chickens more space, access to sunlight, and better food sources. However, just like in Europe, there are challenges. The cost of land, feed, and equipment can be high, and free-range products are still more expensive than factory-farmed meat and eggs. The demand for free-range poultry is steadily growing in the US, driven by consumer preference for more sustainable and ethical farming practices. As awareness of the benefits of free-range products spreads, more American farmers may begin to adopt these practices, leading to better conditions for chickens and healthier. Sustainability and environmental benefits. Sustainability is a major concern in modern agriculture, and free-range farming offers many environmental benefits. Chickens raised in natural environments contribute to healthier soil and ecosystems. Manure from chickens can help fertilize the land, though farmers need to move them around to prevent soil degradation. This cycle helps ensure that the land remains fertile and productive for years to come. Moreover, free-range farming encourages biodiversity. By allowing chickens to roam freely, farmers help maintain a balance of plants and insects that contribute to the health of the farm. This natural approach to farming reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides, contributing to a healthier environment. Free-range egg production. Let's take a look at the egg-laying side of free-range farming. The average lifespan of egg-laying chickens in the EU is around 18 to 20 weeks, after which they begin laying eggs for about 2 to 3 years. There are an estimated 430 million egg-laying chickens across the EU, producing nearly 7.5 million tons of eggs annually. In the farm we visited in eastern France, farmers are busy collecting eggs every morning. The quality of the eggs is carefully checked, ensuring that only the best make it to the food markets and restaurants. Free-range egg production isn't just about collecting eggs, it's a delicate process. Farmers need to ensure the eggs are fresh and stored properly, maintaining a balance between production and quality. Egg-laying chickens that roam freely are not only healthier, but their eggs are also known for being more flavorful and nutritious.